Eknath Khadse is a politician and senior leader in Maharashtra state. He was a member of Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra from Muktainagar constituency for 6 consecutive terms till 2019. He was a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party from 1987 until his resignation in October 2020. Eknath Khadse was born in Kathali village to Eknath Khadse and Godavari Bai Khadse in Muktainagar tehsil of Jalgaon district. His son, Eknath Khadse, committed suicide on 1 May 2013. His daughter-in-law Raksha Khadse is a member of the 16th Lok Sabha from the Raver constituency, serving her second term. Khadse lost his first election when he contested in Gram Panchayat elections in Kathali village. Later he became Sarpanch of Kathali village in 1987. In 1989, he was elected as member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for Muktainagar constituency. Khadse entered in active politics as a BJP worker in the 1980s and helped the party establish its base in North Maharashtra. Hailing from Leva community, Khadse had positioned himself as an OBC leader. He handled both finance and irrigation portfolios in the 1995-1999 Maharashtra state government led by the Shiv Sena BJP alliance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.